This is a video walkthrough of our Pemberton Elite 32x12 2-bed from 2004. It's got double glazing and electric heaters. It's priced at $9,950. Going to have a look around, show you the layout and the condition. Up here at the front you can see our upholstery, which needs a bit of a clean, got a bit of grub on it in a couple of places where it needs cleaning off, which is something we'll do, so don't worry too much, but it's all tear free and in fairly decent condition. Carpet's okay as well, it's got a few stains on it in a couple of places, but it's not been cleaned really at all, so it should come up quite nicely. But as you can see, you've got this fitted seating area at the front of the Caravan. We've got gas fire next to it and cupboard units and everything around the side there. Gas fire's looking a little bit rusty on the front, and we can probably paint that little trim at the bottom, tidy that up a bit. Just show you the rust there at the bottom there. But we can tidy that up a bit. You've got a bit of delamination on some of the cupboard doors. So you can see this one, for example, quite bad there. I mean, that's completely delaminated. So you're going to have a little bit of that on a few of the units, just to point that out. This one looks alright, to be fair. It's just got a bit funny on the front there. But some of the units are going to have edges that have gone. So I won't point them out everywhere. You just need to bear that in mind. Kind of similar thing happens a lot of these Caravans, really, of similar age. Two exterior doors, one that comes into the living room there, and then we've got one further back into the hallway area. But as you can see, we've got a bit of storage to the side, and then we've got dining seating area there that's fitted, and dining table and stool. Coming through to the kitchen, we've got some additional storage shelving to the side there with a little mirror. And then we've got cupboard doors above and around in here in the kitchen, and drawers. Got gas oven and hob like you'd get usually. Kitchen sink with a little window there, and we've got an under counter fridge. Again, probably a bit of delamination to some of these cupboard doors. But it's a decently equipped kitchen in terms of worktop space and everything there. Just spin around, show you the opposite side, and say where your dining seating is there. There's a door here blocking off the hallway to living area. And if we come to the back of the Caravan, we can see the carpet in the hallway here is a bit stained where it's been used and been a bit well trodden, but as you can see going through, it's not too bad. Certainly doesn't require changing. It could be left as it is. Main bedroom here then at the back of the Caravan. We've got a electric panel heater on the back wall there of the Caravan, and also where our window is. We've got some storage cupboards above the bed there and to the sides. We've got a double mattress there with a divan bed base. And then if we move up this way, I'll spin around and show you the other end of the bedroom. So as you can see, with the window being on the back, the bed is against the offside wall rather than the door side, but it does mean that the foot end of the bed here, we've got some decent storage for a 32 foot here, two wardrobes and some drawer storage in the middle. Coming out of there and going opposite, we can find our twin room, where we've got two single beds with matching mattresses and divan bed bases. Then we've got some curtains and a fabric headboard. Same style cupboard doors over the top there, and a long cupboard actually here. Shelf in the middle, so we've got some hanging storage space there, which is helpful. And a little panel heater there. Stepping out of there opposite us here, we've got the electronic, because it says electronic on it. It's a gas, just to make that clear, gas water heater there. I think it's got electronic ignition, that's what my eyes saw. And then coming over to this side of the Caravan, we can see our bathroom, where we've got toilet, sink and shower. So the shower itself has got a door that opens like that. But then once you're in it, it's a bigger enclosure inside than it is. You've got a little bit of a gap here in the shower skin, which is going to need gluing back together. Other than that, we're okay. Coming out of there, then we'll walk back through to our kitchen area. Just looking at the fridge, there is some rust at the bottom of the door there. Not sure what it's like inside. Inside's not too bad, to be fair. It's cleaner than a lot of them, but just some rust on the door. We've got our dining area and living room area here. Let's have a look outside. Ta-da, we are now outside, and as you can see, we've got double glazed windows, as I promised. across the front. Going down the offside of the Caravan, the panels are all looking fairly neat and tidy. Panel coming a little bit around the bottom, but that just needs repinning, so nothing to worry about there. This rear corner trim's a little bit messy where they've had an aerial, I think at the top of the Caravan corner trim, we've had an aerial fit in there which has gone a bit rusty, a few holes to fill. Back of the Caravan needs a clean, but looks to be fairly damage free. And then coming down the door side of the Caravan, this also looks dirty but damage free as well. So there might be a few nicks around the place, but generally free of any decent damage to write home about. Chassis, it's a standard painted chassis, so you can see there's some surface rust, but this metal's all solid, so there's nothing to worry about in terms of the integrity. It just obviously got some surface rust on there, but I'm not worried about anything there. So that's been our Pemberton Elite. It's a 32 by 12 two-bed. It's double glazed, got electric panel heaters. It's from 2004. It's priced at $9,950.